Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-350, 1992 to 1997? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 1992 to 1997 Ford F-350 protects circuits for interior functions like lighting, wipers, and the radio. It uses standard blade-type fuses with labeled positions for easy identification. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1992 to 1997 Ford F-350 manages high-power components such as the ignition system, fuel pump, and headlights. It includes maxi fuses and relays for critical engine and powertrain functions. Additional fuses in the 1992 to 1997 Ford F-350. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. The ceramic fuse box, Bosch fuse 2011, and DIN fuse. Ford Super Duty controls major systems such as the PCM, ABS, trailer to PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, and for critical power distribution. The box is built for rugged conditions and electrical. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.